Running.
Friends, Hari Prasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. The topic for today's episode is modalities for knowledge transfer. What are the modalities? We'll discuss now. I'll start with a message. Conservative people don't have to adapt change management to become successful in life. Conservative people, what they do, they don't have to adapt change management to become successful in life. Coming to the topic, the modalities for knowledge transfer are visual, auditory, kinesthetic, olfactory, and gustatory. The 5 modalities for knowledge transfer. Any training program is to be prepared with the individual modality in particular. Any training program, only one modality required. All the above stated modalities a training program should encompass. Okay? For one topic, one modality, like that, complete training program should have all 5 modalities for knowledge transfer. Number 1, visual trainees. Lookers. Visual trainees are lookers. These trainees show interest in visual presentations, analogies, stories, and films. They will be attentive if proper eye contact is maintained. They learn by examples and stories. These are the visual trainees. Second one, auditory trainees. They are listeners. These people react to sound and words they hear. Address such trainees with proper tonality and expression. They pay attention to words and speech. They prefer being heard emphatically and hence lend their ears. These are the listeners. Third type, kinesthetic trainees, touchers. You need to touch. Touchers experience life through their feeling. Such people feel reassured if their arm is touched while you are talking to them. Each type of trainee who had a specific modality in high proportions related well with a particular session in a research conducted on 45 trainees. People are in some way associated with the training programs either as facilitators or attendees. Visual sessions of ice breaking are used more frequently to create a friendly ambience and promote interaction. They move their body and change the seating positions often. They like a pat on the back. Number 4, olfactory trainees. Olfactory are smellers. Smellers. Number 5, gustatory trainees. Olfactory trainees, gustatory trainees. Gustatory trainees are tasters. They taste. Train people who attend a training program out of self-interest. Don't train attendees who attend reluctantly or out of compulsion. Some attendees show uninterest in training sessions. Reasons may be the following. I am giving you some reasons. 1. Individual inflicted stress. 2. Uninterested in the trainer. 3. Uninterested in the content. 4. Work pressure. 5. Unsuitable session timings. Adults don't sit for hours and tend to get distracted. The above indications disrupt the flow of trainer and also his motivation levels. It is proactive for the trainer to distract the distraction of the attendees. Use NLP tools to identify the sense preference in attendees. Sense preference in attendees can be developed by using the NLP tools. My friend Gamanam, he used to practice NLP. He uses NLP and attracts people. He uses NLP tools. So he will be giving more lectures here on this channel in Konapareddy Movies, that is on NLP. Soon to start. Use judgmental analysis to observe the attendee and notice his reactions when listening, visualizing, or his body movement. I am giving you one message now. Have confidence in your work. Do it dutifully and leave everything to destinies. You do your job, result will come automatically. Experiment. A workshop had modules on topics like making meetings more effective, presentation skills, effective communication, marketing, NLP application, creative thinking. This is the experiment. Delegates with demography spread from 32 years of age to 57 years attended. After listening to speaker for 90 minutes, distraction signs were noticed among the delegates in this workshop. And auditory attendees were seen shifting their eyes. When the trainer was into auditory mode, the visual attendees and kinesthetic attendees had concentration trouble. When one workshop was held, I am giving that experiment I am giving. One workshop was held. The workshop had modules on topics like making meetings more effective, presentation skills, effective communication, marketing, NLP application, creative thinking. How the different types of trainees responded, I have given in these words. Giving you one message now. Macroeconomics means globalization, privatization and liberalization. That is what macroeconomics is. Coming to the topic, when the trainer opted for management games and interactive program, there was a mix of auditory, visual and kinesthetic activities. It was seen that all the A, V, K, A, auditory, V, visual and K, kinesthetic type attendees had no problems with the session. Develop trainers' effectiveness matrix to suit all three types of listeners for finding out the type of modality the trainees had. Learning was more reinforced and better knowledge transfer was seen when the trainer modulated the training intervention with auditory, visual and kinesthetic modalities as compared to one of the sessions where the trainer was using more of the visual modality. Trainer needs to adapt the AVK modality in suitable frequencies so that any type of attendee can be kept attentive. Audio type, visual type, auditory type, visual type, kinesthetic type, all modalities are to be followed while giving the presentation. In a training session where 3 trainers are there, it is better to have a mix of AVK type trainers auditory type, visual type, kinesthetic type trainers, so that all the trainees are satisfied. Given one message. Biggest tragedy in modern civilization is death of God. Before closing this episode, I give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Konapareddy Hariprasad. You become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.